Hello student, welcome back to VEHS Sumati Academy. As we are learning the chapter 8, so remaining parts we have to learn today. So first we have to learn simple ways to put out the fire. Okay, in case of a small fire, if there is a small fire, so what should we do in this condition? So first we have to means as you know, fire needs air supply to continue burning, so we can put the fire by cutting the air supply. Okay, so first we have to think about the condition that first we should cut the air supply. Now next what we can do for the small fire, so first thing we have to throwing mud or sand over the fire. Okay, this cuts off the air supply, so we can throw the mud or sand over the fire. Now we can also pour the water if water is available, so we can also pour the water. But remember, if there is electrical short circuit, so no, never pour the water, because if you will pour the water, then you will also get the shock, because water also what in water current can also the flow. So you can if there is a short circuit fire, then no need to pour the water. If it is a simply fire, then you can pour the water to stop this fire. And also next thing, use fire extinguisher. Okay, as in the offices and in the mall and so many schools and colleges, we have seen the fire extinguisher. So if this fire extinguisher is available, so you can use them. What it is, this is a simple device to put the fire. It is a very simple device. Actually there are many varieties of fire extinguisher, but some are very small and which can easily can be put in the car and laboratories, and some are very big, so which are basically used for the big cinema hall and theaters. In case of major fire accident, shout for help and immediate ring up for the fire brigade. Okay, the fire brigade phone number is 101 if there is a major fire accident. So what should we do? We have to do in that condition, so we have to shout for the help, or immediately we have to ring up for the fire brigade. Now what is the fire brigade number? So always we have to keep in our mind that fire brigade number is 101. Now what to do if clothes catch fire? Now what happened if our clothes catch fire? So first, whenever clothes are on fire, roll on the ground, and if a thick blanket is available nearby, cover with it and roll. Means first thing what we have to do, first roll on the fire. Means if I Hindi in if in Hindi I will explain. So just you have to lay down on the ground. आपको ज़मीन पर लेट जाना है. Either what you can do, you just cover yourself with a thick blanket. If thick blanket is available, so you have to just cover yourself with a thick blanket. So what happened by covering the thick blanket? So there will be no supply of air, and your fire will be put out. Okay, now next we have more about first aid for burns. Okay, burns means burns on our body may be caused by the steam, boiling water, chemicals, or fire. Means we can burn our body. It's a minor burn, like just because of the steam, boiling water, chemicals, and fire. So what first aid we have to take? We should take in these conditions. So first, in case of chemical burn, if we got the burn just because of a chemical, so use plenty of water to wash off the chemical. First we have to use the plenty of water, means lots of water, and cover the affected area after applying any antiseptic cream or cold cream for burns. First we have to use the antiseptic cream for the burn. If antiseptic cream is not available, we can use any cold cream for applying on the burns. In case of serious burn injuries, rush the victim to the nearest doctor. If there is a very serious burn, then please run to the doctor, visit to the doctor, and consult to the doctor. Okay. Now minor burns can be treated at home. If we will got means in daily life we can got the minor burns. So what we do, we can do, just apply a antiseptic cream like a Bernol to prevent the infections. We have to just apply a antiseptic cream like Bernol. Now in severe ones, blisters are formed, means cover the if burns blisters are formed on our body, so just cover the burnt area with very soft clean cloth and sterilite gauze if available, to protect that area from exposing it to the germs and dust. So we have to be careful that we will protect that area, burn area, from the germs and dust, because they will increase the infection on our body. And rush the victim to the doctor at the earliest. And if there is so many burns blisters are forming, so just run to the doctor or consult to the doctor for the best treatment. Now we will talk about the animal bites. If means animals like monkeys, dog, cats, bats, rats, bobs, snakes, these common animals are there which can bite the humans, okay, because these animals we can see nearby us. So what we have to do? So first aid for the animals bites. So what should be done in such situations when you are bitten by the animal? So first thing, wash the wound with the soap to remove the germs. Okay, first we have to wash the wounds. Like rabies virus will pass from the rabid animals like dogs, monkeys, etc. through saliva. Okay, this virus saliva, through the saliva rabies virus can be inserted in our body. So first we have to bound the wash the wound with the soap or any antibiotic liquid. Now any apply antiseptic lotion, cover the wound with a sterilite gauze, means now we have to apply a antiseptic lotion and rush the victim to the doctor. And we have to rush to the doctor. This is a first aid, not the whole treatment, means this is a first and immediate help we have to give in to the victim, and after this anyhow we have to consult to the doctor. Now next I will explain in the next video. Till thank you.